It's a really warm late spring day, and I'm out on a lake here in the Pocono Mountains, and there are 2 eagles' nests on this particular lake. So we're going to try to get some images of eagles. The chances of getting one fishing are slim, but you never know. And also, this is a scouting mission because I'm looking for a kingfisher. For many years in a row, a kingfisher had this one particular perch, and I mean, it was like clockwork. But I have not seen it yet this year. So I'm going to sneak over there and check that out, and then see what else we can find. You never know. I've seen cormorants, egrets, blue herons, a lot of waterfowl on this particular body of water. And but this spring's been kind of slow, but it's warming up now, and hopefully some more birds have made their way to this lake. So we'll get started, and thanks for coming along. It's kind of windy. I'm kind of rocking here. Okay, anyway, it's been kind of slow. So I started to do some scouting. Came across a red-winged blackbird perching on a little stump out of the water, and some nice contrast between the bird and the blue water. It's not a great shot, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. Then I was, I was scouting, just cruising along, and I saw a cormorant on top of a buoy, and I slowed down and I just waited, and as I drifted a little closer with the help of the wind, the cormorant took off, and the focus just grabbed it, and I was able to get pretty decent flight shot. Well, it's been a really slow photography day. sometimes you just don't get a lot of action. I did a lot of scouting. Did get one decent shot of a cormorant flying and a little bit of a red-winged blackbird shot. But I'm not quite giving up yet. I'm gonna head down here near the eagle's nest again. I saw him flying around earlier, but he just seems really shy today, which is kind of odd. But in any case, have not seen any kingfishers, no egrets, nor blue herons. And it just seems really odd because this lake is usually very active with those types of birds. So, but now I'm gonna head back down to the eagle's nest. The sun is going down, and maybe he'll want to fish before he goes up and takes the overnight siesta in the old nest. So we're gonna head down there, and yay or nay, I will let you know what happens. But I hope you're enjoying the scenery. It's a beautiful day. It's great out here. Well, I see the eagle perched on a branch just out from its nest. And maybe at least I'll get a perch shot. And if not, I'll show you a few flight shots I got right here about 2 weeks ago. And I'll be sure to post all the settings. You know, sometimes you go out and you're hoping for a lot of things, but it doesn't always happen. But if you don't come in at all, you're definitely not going to get a shot. So, but at least I hope you enjoyed the scenery, and I thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, take care.